My name is Felicity Honeyman, my candidate number is 5048, and today I'll be talking about how my group and I's production skills developed throughout this project. Throughout the pre-production, our group each had a selected task to help with the organisation of the whole project. The production schedule is where you have filming days, where you make sure every person that needs to be in the certain scenes you're trying to film are available. Location, making sure you can all get to the location at this exact time you're needed, and like I just said, timings of when we're filming, and then also just what props we need and what camera equipment we need. I also had the task of risk assessment, whereby I needed to make sure every location we're filming, which luckily for us it was mostly based around the same area, which was in Hither Green. This meant that there wasn't a lot to do. However, our risk assessment kind of changed throughout, as originally we were going to have a scene where Ellie was on a bike, but that changed and we didn't have that scene anymore. So it was quite helpful to know. Now, Emerson had the task of doing the storyboard. This really helped our group with the understanding of our opening sequence. The drawings and the shot types really helped us envision what we wanted to create, and it kind of kept us, I would say, quite organised. Will T made the script. This made it very useful to organise when we should film, what scenes we needed to film on the day, as we went in chronological order of the script, making it a lot easier to film and a lot quicker to film, as we knew we wouldn't miss any scenes. Another thing we made sure of is that we had all the actors and actresses we needed in our piece, which was a male antagonist and a female antagonist. Myself and Will Ralph decided to play the parts of those characters. This made our filming a lot more smoother, as we didn't need to rely on anyone that wasn't in our group, making it a lot less complicated and making our filming days feel less stressful, as we didn't need to think of another person and when they could film. As we got put into groups, we were asked to do a group presentation to sell to the class about our pitch, and as we all wanted to do abduction, it was very easy to make a whole presentation about it, as we all had similar ideas, and if we didn't, we would discuss and see which one was the best outcome. Throughout the production period, our camera skills developed a lot during the filming process. We became a lot more confident behind the camera and the ideas of what shot types to use, like low angle, high angle, POV shots, up close, and mainly handheld camera, as we were too scared to drop the camera at first. We had a range of interior filming, especially in Ellie's friend's bedroom, where we wanted it to look realistic and quite natural in terms of when friends meet up, especially girls, as they like to gossip. The exterior filming was Ellie walking on the streets alone in the dark to create a more eerie atmosphere and to kind of tell the audience that something is going to happen and them leaving with suspense. Dedication in my group to film was fantastic. We made sure we could film as much as we could in the time period we had on that set filming day.